Hey guys, my name's Joe, owner and operator of JDS Mechanical in Overland here in Keswick. We are a Toyota and Lexus 4x4 specialty shop. Today we have Gabe's Tacoma in. Right now he's running the Icon Atta leafs with stock leaf springs, and it's quite sagged out. So we got him some proper suspension. We went with the ARB heavy duty leaf packs, which will be good for 600 pounds of load. And then we're pairing that with the 5125 Bilstein shocks. These are good for 2 to 3.5 inches of lift. So stay tuned and watch us do the install.
3 inches.
Let's go.
Yeah, man. Everything's all installed and torqued up. We got the heavy duty leaf springs, which brought us up 3 inches in the rear, along with the 5125s. Now Gabe's able to load this thing up without squatting down on the bump stops. It's gonna be riding a lot better. The main thing is gonna look a lot better as well. Stay tuned, guys. We have a bunch of exciting stuff coming up. Take care.